Mm-hmm. Do you love the dishwasher? Do you? Don't climb in. You really don't get the curves, do you? And why it's so smooth. Now you're biting it? I think he just discovered that moved. What are you doing? This is my cat in the dishwasher. I don't know how I feel about this. Oh. Ooh, what's in here? Okay. This is still so smooth. Why is it smooth? No! It's not working! Oh. Is it me? Am I looking at myself? Who is that? Oh, tail.